So today I'm going to do the overview of the migration tools provided by Tencent. The first one is called Cloud Migration. So basically this is the Cloud Migration tool. And the second one is the Data Transfer Service. So the difference between them is for Cloud Migration is mainly for server and storage. And Data Transfer Service is mainly for database related. So if you were to migrate from a third party cloud or on-prem to Tencent. So basically this is a tool that you can consider to use. So over here for the cloud migration, right? So first step is to do the resource discovery, right? So for example, currently we're supporting the AWS IDC. IDC is referring to on-prem and GCP. So over here, we're going to quickly demonstrate to you how we can discover the resource using the AWS. So the first step is to key in the AWS key pair. And also this is the selected region. And of course, you can select all that is currently supported, or you can just do a partial selection. And I'm going to click Start Research. So after a while, it's going to popping up all the resources discovered under this access key and secret key. So import resource lists. These are some of being discovered, right? And some of them actually been discovered previously. So from here, select the one you want to process. Go to design. So it's going to do a sort of a product mapping between, for example, AWS EC2 instances to Tencent. And then you click migration. After create tasks and proceed with the actual server migration, which will be introduced in the later video. So basically this is for AWS, and similarly for GCP. For GCP, you need to upload the key. Select the region, for example, Asia, and start research. Import the list. The parity between AWS and GCP, right? The resource being supported is actually quite different. So AWS, of course, in terms of the discovery, we support more products. GCP is limited. For example, GCE is their compute engine and storage. And then, of course, that you can just select one of them and then go to design. So it will going to show you what is the product mapping, and then you go to migration and create your migration task. So basically this is a very simple demonstration of the resource discovery from a third-party cloud. For CFS, it doesn't mean we don't support CFS, but some advanced CFS features, for example, quick migration for CFS is currently under development. But in terms of AWS EFS to CFS, that is currently supported. So will be demonstrated later in another video. So over here, of course, we support the cost migration, right? So will be introduced separately in another video, and server migration as well. So this is pretty much the overview of our cloud migration, basic feature, resource discovery, and product mapping. And then is a simple introduction of our DTS. You can click from here. It's a shortcut, right? It will direct you to this page, which is called DTS. So basically, these are the list of the database that is being supported. So over here, what you're gonna do first is to create a task. So for DTS, it's chargeable, right? So over here, you have to select the right service type, the creation mode, right? And also the billing mode, and also the source instance type. So basically, these are the list of the source database that is supported, and also the source instance region, and also the target instance type. So basically, before that, you need to create one accordingly, specifications as well, right? So this is the first step that you have to do with the data migration. So after that, from here, you will be able to see the task, for example, the progress, the mood, the specifications, the billing mode, etc. So for each task details will be demonstrated in a separate video. So basically, this is a quick overview of a DTS showing you that this is the list of the database and the regions being supported. And from here, for each of the, for example, MySQL, right, Redis, and the PostgreSQL demonstration of the migration from the third-party cloud to Tencent will be shown in other videos. Thank you very much.